Parkerville Children and Youth Care offers a range of early intervention, secondary and tertiary services to children, young people and families across the metropolitan area, the Murchison and the Wheatbelt region. Our mission is to protect, care, advocate and provide therapeutic services to children, young people and their families who have experienced trauma from abuse, and to provide supports for the community in the effort to prevent child abuse from occurring. Nowhere is this mission more evident than in the work we do in the Armidale area, where we bring together specialist child abuse services, family capacity building, early childhood development and community education services. In 2008, we embarked on a journey to bring low-cost and free psychological services to the area of Armidale and specialist social work services to the local school community. Soon we were inundated and recognised the need for more services in the area to provide families with the supports who just needed a little bit of extra help, and to provide specialist services for children and young people who have experienced trauma from abuse. This culminated in the opening of the George Jones Child Advocacy Centre in March 2011. With this came a multidisciplinary model including integration with multiple agencies and services. The centre is a purpose-built, family-friendly space, complete with 2 little dogs. It's a space in the community where families can come, seek support services and feel safe. The centre was designed in collaboration with the local community, right down to the artwork and the mural covering one of the outside walls. Support from our generous private sector supporters, individual sponsors and the local government who donated the land made this all possible. The centre is now home to over 28 professionals, providing a range of services to over 2,000 children, young people and families each year. The George Jones Child Advocacy Centre is now also a hub for other Parkerville-led services in the surrounding schools, suburbs and the local community. In recent months, the centre has also become the home of the multi-agency investigation and support team. The team is a West Australian first and brings together an integrated working model between government and non-government agencies to respond to cases of child sexual abuse in the Armidale area. The team consists of workers from the Department for Child Protection and Family Support, West Australian Police Child Abuse Squad, Department for Health and Parkerville Children and Youth Care. We are currently partway through a 3-year relationship with the Australian Centre for Child Protection to evaluate the model. A multidisciplinary team approach is crucial to responding to child abuse. We know that the impacts are widespread. They affect not just the child, but the family and the wider community. By bringing these services together around the one table, we can improve service delivery and outcomes for families. At the centre, we have professionals from police, health, child protection, advocacy and therapeutic services, all working together for the best outcomes for the family. Parkerville Children and Youth Care is committed to providing specialist services to children, young people and families who have experienced trauma from abuse, in the hopes that we can support them to have a brighter future. But we realise that if we support families in the early stages, if we can provide targeted and universal services to the community, if we can build awareness on issues such as child development, abuse and personal safety, we can help prevent many families from having to experience the harmful impacts of trauma.